Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Zoe. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Seniors, pre-sale for your senior shirt will begin today and will last until Friday. Senior shirt will sold in the cafeteria for all 3 lunches.
The price for senior shirts is $10 cash only.
Panthers, did you know this September of 1968, Congress authorized President Lyndon B. Johnson to proclaim National Hispanic Heritage Week, observed during the week that included September 15th and September 16th. In 1989, it was expanded to a monthly celebration September 15, October 15. The start date is significant because it is the anniversary of independence of 5 Latin American countries: Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. In addition, Mexico and Chile celebrate their Independence Day on September 16 and September 18, respectively.
Our Heritage High Spanish Club wants to invite you to participate and enjoy the Puerto Rican parade this Saturday. Spanish Club, the step team, and our amazing band will be representing Heritage High School at the parade.
Students, anyone can participate in Spanish Club from 8:30 a.m. on Saturday. Just see Senora Velez or Ramos for the permission slip. Everyone is invited to attend and watch. The parade starts at 10 a.m.
Senora Ville asks that anyone participating with Spanish Club please stop by her classroom this Friday after school.
A very important message for students that drive to school. The deadline to purchase your parking pass is September 29th, that is this Friday. After that day, all students parking on campus without a parking pass will receive a ticket and a discipline referral.
To purchase your parking pass, bring your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, and $20 to Ms. Santiago in the Dean's office anytime after first period.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!